sky. A garden glove with fish knives. Something that simple.
He's got the best outfit. He's got the best look. As a horror villain, he's got the best. I'm obviously in love with him.
He's covered in burns, but he just owns it. He goes, this is who I am, accept me or don't. But whether or not you accept me, I will kill you in your sleep.
He has a sweater in Christmas colors and a snappy fedora that somehow through all of the burnings, he kept this hat.
And that sense of narcissism and vanity that Freddy has. He wears the hat to cover his baldness and his deformity, but he's still kind of jaunty and cool and in your face.
He was confident. He had swagger.
They were trying to change the hat on me, and I was showing them how great the fedora is. They've kind of lost faith in the hat because they think it looks like Harrison Ford, Raiders of the Lost Ark. So they start putting these different hats on me, and the one they keep gravitating toward is this paperboy cap from the 1930s kind of thing. So I fight, and I said, I'm not wearing this hat, guys. Read all about it. Robert Englund quits Nightmare on Elm Street.